How to change event color in Google Calendar. So first you want to open up your browser and head to Google Calendar and make sure you're signed into your Google account. So first we'll start by creating a new calendar. So under other calendars right here, you want to click on the plus icon and then click on create new calendar and then give it a name and also give it a description if you want to, and select a time zone that matches your time zone and then click on create calendar. Now once the calendar is created, you should find it under my calendars right here and click on it. Now to change the color for this calendar, you should come back from the settings tab here, click on this arrow on the top left and it should bring you back here. Now if you click on text right here, or test calendar that we created, then click on the three vertical dots and from here you can change the color. So you can either pick a color from here or basically click on the plus sign and choose a custom color that you can use the slider to select, and then basically click save to change the color. Now doing this from a mobile device will probably give you very limited color options, so I recommend doing it from PC to get much broader colors. Now after assigning the color, we can simply create new events right now. So if we click on create and then select event, now we can give it a title. So for example, test event, like this. And then we can select a date and time for it and assign it to a specific calendar. So if you click on here and click on the drop box, we're going to assign it to the test calendar that we have created, and then click on save. And that's the first way to change the color. Now the second way is simply clicking on the event right here and editing it, and you can simply click on the color drop down and basically pick a color from here. Now as you can see, the options are limited. You have fewer colors right here. So if you set a color and simply press save, it should change or update the color right here. So if you want more control over the colors, you can simply use the first method by creating different colors, different calendars with different colors, and then assigning them on your events. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.